Here I have DOOGEE S61 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, and let's get it. So one last time, volume down key, power key, and we got these screenshots. You can find screenshots in photos, I mean these Google Photos, in the special screenshots section, and here they are. From here you can share, edit, search with lens, delete your screenshots, and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.